Thank you very much for the introduction. Mr. Madhukar, all the delegates, organizers, press and media partners. Well, at the outset, as rightly said by Madam Thorat, a very persuasive organizer, Mr. Vincent, brought me here, and it's a pleasure of being with you all this morning. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity, I would say. I think the words of Mrs. Thorat have really set in the tone. I wish she was physically present to address all of us. It could have been much more passionate. Well, as the theme of the conference is the banking and technology, I think it's pretty obvious that the way we are growing and the way we are expected to grow in the economy, and of course the banking have a lot to do and a major role to play. I think without a real partnering with technology, it may not be possible for the banks to really serve the desired services or the expectations and the volumes which we are required to do. I would, in next 10-15 minutes, would like to share a couple of my experiences. Of course, I have been given the subject that I should be talking about Aadhaar-based delivery. But before that, let me tell you that I have had an experience of setting up a transaction banking department in Union Bank of India, pursued in Punjab National Bank, where basically I endeavored that how could we really provide technology-based total solutions to every kind of a customer, be an individual or an institution or a corporate. And I think it's very, very essential that looking at the volumes, the quality, the efficiency which is required for delivery by the bankers, our real partnering of the technology is very, very essential. I think for the technology partners, this is an opportunity when the entire public sector bank is on a core banking. Entire regional rural banks are on core banking. And quite likely, the corporate sector will also come on a core banking way forward. While the entire banking system of the country is going to be on the core banking, and I am very sure that the interoperability, the interfaces between the players will be available. It's a huge opportunity for the technology partners. I'd like to come back to the subject which has been given to me on Aadhaar-based delivery. Well, as the name goes, Aadhaar, it's a big support which probably the financially excluded people are going to get. Well, the Aadhaar is meant for all those who are included or excluded. Friends, all of you know that how the financial inclusion is really being driven by the banks, be it in the urban markets or be it in the rural markets. Financial inclusion does not necessarily mean that it should be only in the rural areas. Today in the urban and metro areas, let me tell you, huge migrant population is there who needs a banking service, who needs the service for remittance, who needs the service for micro insurance, so on and so forth. And I don't think that the brick and mortar branches in the metro areas or the urban areas are in the position to really cater to that kind of population which is there in the metro and urban areas. Going back to the rural and semi-urban areas, let me tell you the kind of delivery which is expected on the various fronts, where we need every farmer to be given a KCC card, every farmer or every house to be linked to the Manrega, the social service benefits. I think it's a huge opportunity in the rural sector. And as you know that the bankers have really gone way ahead. You know the first phase, the villages of population in 2000 above have been identified. I think the bankers are going to complete the complete enrollment of the complete population from those villages by March 12th. The second identification has been done for 1000 to 2000 villages. I think many banks have also gone ahead on that because it makes sense to operate in the contiguous area where you have a village of 2000, in a cluster a village of 1000 to 2000, or maybe the less population of 1000. So maybe by March 13 or March 14 and March 15, I think we should see that all 6 lakh villages of the country, they are really covered under the ICT-based financial inclusion activities. A huge, huge opportunity. While I say that the technology partners are really doing a great job with the bankers, let me tell you that this job is happening only to the extent of acquisition of a customer. When you talk of a financial inclusion, it does not mean only an acquisition and somebody sporting a smart card in his pocket. That's not a financial inclusion at all. The financial inclusion needs that a real cadre of a business correspondent agent should be ready. I normally feel, and from every platform I say, that this is an opportunity for a country to really create a cadre of the business correspondent agents. 6 lakh correspondent agents might be required to operate in 6 lakh villages. What's happening today that to the extent of acquisition, technology partners and the business correspondents, they are, but when it comes to the servicing, I don't think that a great job is done in creating a cadre of the business correspondent agents who are not only an employee of the business correspondents, they are also the representatives of the respective banks. All the stakeholders, all the enrollees, they have to believe that they are representing a specific bank. Whichever bank is doing that financial in that village, and that kind of a confidence level that business correspondent agent has to have when he operates in the market. Is it happening?